Hello friends, hope you guys are doing well. Today we are having another exciting opportunity for you, Toronto University Canada Scholarship. In this video, I am going to tell you all details about this university scholarship program, okay? So if you are new on this channel, then please do subscribe it. In the end of video, I will share the all details and all your doubts. I think I will clear all your doubts about this scholarship program, okay? So please do subscribe our channel and keep watch this video till the end. Let's start the details of this university. Toronto University increased the number to 5,000 for the academic year 2022 to 23. All international students can apply for the undergraduate and postgraduate degree program. The University of Toronto consistently ranked first three times in Canada and 18th in World Universities ranking. The UOFT scholarship don't require any IELTS score. If you have completed your previous education at English language. Also, you can give an online English language test from Duolingo. English language test. You can give this test from your home. The first higher educational institute in Canada, the University of Toronto Scholarship is considered the best scholarship ever. The university has all academic fields of study for bachelor's, master and doctoral programs. Students including international candidates are automatically considered for a variety of admission scholarships when they apply to university. Make your way and study in Canada. There are many scholarships in Canada for 2022 without IELTS. Canadian university are not demanding to students IELTS and TOEFL score due to COVID-19. They are not requiring. If you have Duolingo English proficiency test, then you can apply for these internships. The scholarship will cover your meal, accommodation, full tuition fees, another fee, stipend, health. The complete information about this scholarship program, I will give you the all details in this video. So keep watching this video till the end. Details about Toronto University Canada Scholarship. Scholarship country Canada, University Toronto University, degree level, undergrad and postgrad and graduate. Financial coverage, it's a fully funded scholarship program. The deadline of this scholarship is 13th January. About the scholarship, the University of Toronto offer 5,000 scholarships each year to newly admitted future students. uh, University increased the number to 5,000. Last year this number was 4,400. Available fields of study, there are too many available fields for study in Toronto University. uh, Here I am sharing some few fields, and I also share the link of the list courses which is available in Toronto University. You can go through that link and you can find out your related course, okay? So here I am sharing few courses: architecture, landscape and design, biomedical communication, dentistry, education, forestry, information, law, management, medical radiation science, medicine, nursing, occupational science, occupational therapy, pharmacy, physical therapy, engineering, social science, health. In the description of video, I will share the details about undergraduate and postgraduate and graduate programs which Toronto University offer to the students. Okay, so go through that link for the detailed list of the programs. University of Toronto Scholarship Awards. The university will cover the expenses of tuition fees, books will be provided, health insurance during the program, full support of accommodation for 4 years. You can use the award. Explore. You will see the available scholarships. There are a lot of scholarships offered by University of Toronto. Each scholarships has its own value. You can select the international student or domestic fields of study, and many other options are available. See the available scholarship at the Toronto, please. I will mention the link of the details in the description. Please go through that. Eligibility criteria. Now I will talk about the eligibility criteria. The eligibility criteria are different and vary. It depends on which scholarship you want to grab. So these all details we will get from the university official website. English language requirements. So as I told you before that Canadian universities are not requiring English language IELTS and TOEFL score. They are giving admission to students on the basis of Duolingo English proficiency test, and if you have your previous education in English medium, then you don't require any English certificate. Okay, you have completing 4 year full-time academic study in a recognized Canadian school that teaches in English, that teach in English. You have completing 4 or more year of full-time academic study in an English language. Duolingo English test applicable. IELTS is not acceptable. The minimum requirements is an overall band of 6.5 with no band below 6. So if you are not having IELTS score, then you are also eligible, because Canadian universities are allowing students on the basis of Duolingo English test. You can take this test from anywhere. You can give this test from your home also. We already talk about the deadline. 13th January is the deadline of this scholarship program. Then how to we can apply for this scholarship? The application process is totally online. You can apply for this scholarship from official website. I will mention this official website link in the description box. You can go through it. And this is the interface of Toronto University official web link, uh, official website. You can check here, and all details which you want, you can take from here. You can see apply science application deadline for an undergraduate program. You can see the all details here which we already covered, and if any details remaining, then you can also read from here. I will share the link of this website. And now if you are also having any questions, I try to solve your all doubts regarding this scholarship program. Now if you are also having any another question related to this scholarship program, then here I think you can see FAQs, frequently asked questions. You can go through these questions and you will get answer of all your queries. And after that, if you also have any another question, then you can ask me directly in comment box. And if you have any another query, if you have any another doubt in your mind related to this scholarship and anything related to your career, you can ask me in comment box. I'll try to answer that. Okay, so go in description box and visit this official website link and fill this form and grab this opportunity. Okay, best of luck. Thank you.